Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. I had a little bit of a different kind of unboxing today. With the issues with my hands, it's harder and harder each time to screw in parts to the computer. So I purchased this with some credit that I had laying around on Amazon. This package was $19.99-ish. It's called TackLife is the brand. It's a cordless screwdriver. So it is similar to like a Black & Decker, just a cheaper, generic, no-name brand. So it's got the adjustable handle that you can do at the straight, at the partial, and at like a, kind of like a gun style. It does have a flashlight, on an LED flashlight, and then on the bottom of the handle it has a flashlight. It powers by a USB, so just a standard Android style charger, and comes with a series of bits, so should be good enough to get started with. And yeah, just a basic screwdriver that's electric, but I figured I'd share with everyone a simple tool that can help with saving time and helps for those of us that have a hard time grasping things. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video down below, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on new videos, and as always, feel free to leave a comment letting me know what you think of the brand, the screwdriver, if you've had any experience with it, or any questions you have for myself about the channel or the product. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.